Did you know AI can make you money while you sleep? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI websites that can help you make real money online in 2024 completely for free. No technical skills needed, just your laptop and internet connection. Make sure to watch until the end because the last one is an absolute game changer. Let's dive in. First on our list is Cree AI. This AI-powered platform generates high-quality digital art in seconds. You can use it to create logos, posters, social media content, and even NFTs. How to make money? Sell AI-generated designs on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Fiverr. Offer custom AI-generated artwork for clients. Create and sell print-on-demand AI artwork. And the best part? It's 100% free to start. Next, we have Durable.co, the AI website builder that creates a fully functional site in under 30 seconds. How to make money? Build AI-generated websites for small businesses and charge a setup fee. Sell ready-made niche websites on marketplaces like Flippa. Offer a website creation service on Fiverr or Upwork. No coding or design skills needed. AI does all the work for you. If you don't want to show your face on camera, Synthesi.io is perfect. It's an AI video generator that creates professional-looking videos with AI avatars and voices. How to make money? Create AI-generated explainer videos and sell them on Fiverr. Offer YouTube video production services. Make and sell AI business presentation videos for companies. Many businesses pay $100 per video, and AI does 90% of the work. Next up is Play.ht, a powerful AI text-to-speech generator. It can turn text into human-like voiceovers in seconds. How to make money? Sell AI voiceovers for YouTubers, businesses, and content creators. Create audiobooks and sell them on Amazon. Offer voiceover services on freelance platforms. AI voices are in high demand, and you can make serious money with this. Next up is Play.ht, a powerful AI text-to-speech generator. It can turn text into human-like voiceovers in seconds. How to make money? Sell AI voiceovers for YouTubers, businesses, and content creators. Create audiobooks and sell them on Amazon. Offer voiceover services on freelance platforms. AI voices are in high demand, and you can make serious money with this. So, there you have it, 5 AI websites that can help you start making money online in 2024. Which one do you like the most? Comment below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI and money-making videos. See you in the next one.